Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Blogger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Blogger account. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to blogger.com. On the home page, tap Sign In at the top right and select your Google account to log in with. You will automatically be taken to your account. And that's how you log in to your Blogger account. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.